years old.
Wow, very nice. So what do you want to be when you grow up? You want to be a?
Be a doctor.
Be a doctor. Wow, very I want to be a doctor. Mukhang magduduguin mo dito ah. Okay, get ready. All the kids, lahat kayong kasali. For example, so you just follow me, okay? Oh, hands up. Hands up, kids.
Hands up, hands up.
Shake your hands, shake and wave and jump. Jump. Okay, get ready. All the kids, pag-play tayo ng music, okay? Pag-play ng music, sasayaw tayong lahat. So we will dance, okay? You just follow me, baby boy, right? Now get ready. Say, Happy Birthday, James! Okay, so now, kids, sunod kayo sa akin, okay? So, exercise muna tayo, right? Now get ready. Here we go. Hands up. Oh, shake your hands. Oh, wave your hands, wave, and jump. Jump. Yes, jump. Very nice. Jump. Oh, get ready. Play that music. Oh, come on. Ito na kids, okay? So exercise pa lang yan, okay? First kids is the boat of sinking, okay? Do you know the boat of sinking?
No.
Ay, very good. Yes, daw. Sige ka to. All the kids, kapag sinabi kong yakap sarili, yayakapin yung sarili nyo. Baby boy, hug yourself, hug yourself. Hug yourself.
How to hug
Hug yourself.
Hug yourself, baby.
James, hug yourself. No, yourself. Yourself, okay? Hug yourself. Okay, very good. All the kids, kapag sinabi kong dalawa, hanap kayo ng grupo, make it faster pa na group, okay? O for example, the boat of sinking,
You have to look for your
group
partner,
yourself into two. Dalawa. Yeah,
Look for partner.
Hug your kids. Hug mo si kids. Yes, very nice. Yeah. Hug lang.
Gabi, kumama ng partner mo.
Okay. Kiss Kuya James. Kiss Kuya
Gabi,
James. Kiss Kuya
kumuha ka ng partner mo kahit di mo
Kiss Kuya
kilala.
James. Kiss